Hello, let's take a look at what it would take to toggle a value from the admin app. First of all, undertaking this, I was reminded that this is actually something that requires a slight addition to the fb.js file in the admin app. So if you can, update your admin app with this new fb.js file. You can overwrite your current one, because now it has an fb.get function, which makes it nice and convenient if you just want to get a value once. And that's what we're going to want to utilize in this. So first of all, what I've done in the client side of things is to enable this index.html to generate a button that says toggle value over here. And the performance of it, if we look over here on the right, is we'll see that this toggle variable in the database is going to toggle. As I click, it will toggle true, false, true, false. Okay, and so forth. So how is this happening under the hood? If we go over to, for example, the index.html, like I was mentioning, let me just close out for a second. If we go down over here in the index.html, I added another button with the ID btn-toggle, and I have the inner HTML for that button, or the label kind of on the button is toggle value. Toggle value. Okay, so first of all, I put that in there with that ID. Then I got a reference to it in the client module plugin. In the client module plugin, I made a variable, let btoggle equal that element from the element that's in the web page, and then I go ahead and put an on-click function here, and it's going to call through the socket. It's going to announce, hey server, toggle the value. So it's going to emit this announcement, toggle value. On the server side, we're going to listen for whenever the socket says toggle value. And when that happens, we're going to get from the Firebase, we're going to get the toggle value, and we're going to set the toggle value to the opposite, and that's what this exclamation point is the opposite of what the value is. And this opposite works with Boolean variables, such as true or false. So if it was previously true, by putting this exclamation point, which is the not operator, in front of it, if it was true, it would make it false. If it was false, it would make it true. So this is just setting the value for the toggle value to the opposite of what it currently is. Okay, so that's basically all there is to it. Again, if we look at the functionality, click toggle value, it toggles on the database. Hope you find that helpful. Take care.